Oh, wow! So, this is Philippines, huh? Here, hold my bag. I am lovely, and I am here to your town to teach you science and technology. Oh, about airplanes. Have you seen an airplane already? Or have you ridden one? Well, if that's so, let me teach you about it. Do you know that there are heaps of developments of science and technology during this century, and it keeps on upgrading? An airplane is one of the remarkable inventions that had a major impact on human beings. An airplane or aeroplane, informally plane, a fixed-wing aircraft that is propelled forward by thrust from a jet engine, propeller, or rocket engine. Airplanes come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and wing configurations. The one who invented and flew the first airplane in 1903, recognized as the first sustained and controlled heavier than air-powered flight, are the Wright brothers, and those are Orville and Wilbur. They built on the works of George Cayley, dating from 1799, when he set forth the concept of the modern airplane, and later built and flew models and successful passengers carrying gliders. Advantages and disadvantages of air transport. Advantages: high speed, fast service, sight almost everywhere you're afraid, high standard of security, natural routes, and there is less need for heavy packaging. Disadvantages: risky, cost, some product limitations, capacity for small carriage, and enormous investment. Now, I am going to ask, what technology does airplane use? Most modern jet planes use turbofan jet engines, which balance the advantages of a propeller while retaining the exhaust speed and power of a jet. This is essentially a ducted propeller attached to a jet engine, much like a turboprop, but with a smaller diameter. What does an airplane have to do with science? Airplanes achieve flight by using lift, drag, thrust, and weight. They use a specially designed wing to generate high pressure below the craft and low pressure above it. Weight is caused by gravity and it pulls down the aircraft. Drag is produced by the friction created by the air particles passing the plane. And lastly, what is the science and technology of flight called? Aeronautics. Aeronautics is the science of art involved with the study, design, and manufacturing of air flight-capable machines, and the techniques of operating aircraft and rockets within the atmosphere. And yes, that's all. And hopefully, we can all get on a plane and fly like a Superman. Bye-bye!